What's up everybody? And welcome back to yet another tutorial. In this tutorial I will show you how you can turn your Windows desktop into something looking a little bit more clean and professional. So without further ado, let's get started. The first step is to remove the desktop icon. So let's remove those. Right click, and you can hover over View. And then select Show Desktop Icons. And check that. Now the next thing that we were going to be looking at is the taskbar down here. Now you can see that there's a lot of unnecessary buttons down here. So you can do is you can right click, and you see all these checks icons. You can uncheck all this. Then next step, removing the search box and replacing it with only the little search icon. Then right click an empty area of the taskbar. Go to search. And hit show search icon. That will replace it with just the little icon. Now I'm going to making taskbar icons a little bit smaller. So what I'll do is I'll right click on the taskbar. Go to taskbar settings. And hit use small taskbar buttons. Then scroll down, and if you look at these combined taskbar buttons you can select always hide labels. Now you can exit out of that, and the next step is going to be centering these icons in the middle. So you have a nice clean look. So what we will do is we will right click the taskbar, we will go up to toolbars, and select links. Make sure that your taskbar is set to unlock, so click that, make sure. Then move the link like this. Right clicking going up to show title, uncheck that, and then now you can right click and hit lock taskbar. That will remove those. Then set some nice wallpaper. Thanks for watching, and make sure to like this video if this guide helped you, and be sure to subscribe if you are new, and also comment down below if you have any issues or questions. So see you guys in the next video.
We'll be right back.